How to book a stay on Airbnb. Well, you can do so either through the application or through the web browser. If you are on the web, head into airbnb.com. If you want to do it on the app, well, make sure you are logged in. Either ways, as you can see, I'm already logged into my account here. Now, in order to book an space, right? So you want to book. You can search in for destination. You can add in check-in dates. For example, I want to go here, book around the fall. I'll select this and it'll ask me to select the check-in date. So I want to check in on 20th of August and I'll check out on 23rd of August. Then you can see here, once I do so, this is my exact dates. Then you can see the number of guests. You want to select number of guests, whether you have two children. So for example, I'm going alone with one of my kids. Then here you can see one. Then you can proceed to search. If you have an infant, you can select infant. If you want to bring an animal, you want to make sure you will have to select a pet as well. Either way, is here, click on search and it will give you the perfect hotels or spaces for you that you will like. Then you can proceed to click on it. Once you click on it, once you have your particular liked destination that you wish to book, right? You can proceed to reserve it. You can see you won't be charged yet here. Well, for some reservations, you'll have to pay in advance, while for some, you'll just have to reserve and you don't have to pay in advance. So it depends on the type of hotel and the option available. However, this is how you can easily book a hotel or book on Airbnb. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.